Finally, we are ready to start with the fire. First, guys, it's necessary to use the good wood, right? Even we don't do barbecue, the proper wood is everything. Please don't use the wood with a peel or some wood with some big container of water. That's what you need. You can see dry hard wood for building your shape and fire. And now, guys, I will show you how to start the fire with our favorite shape. You put the hardwood here, use some good paper in the center, clean without some glue or colors or everything. Okay, guys, make it easy. Use your torch. Wood, put in cross. So we just finished the cleaning up our plancha and it's time to prepare it for grilling. The best and natural way is just oil and fire. You put the plenty of oil on a plancha and use the paper towel or whatever. And if you have a rest of oil in there, just use the turner. This process we call the seasoning, and it's good for conservation plancha grill and for safety grilling after that. And a similar way for the Multigrid, just to use the paper towel and seasoning the Multigrid with the oil. Don't split the oil directly on the Multigrid because it can burn easily and hurt you.